Om Shanti, my dear divine souls of the world. I'm very happy to share the divine insight of spirituality at this special event, United Nations Interfaith Harmony Week. And in this very good subject, love of God, love of neighbor. Really, the whole world is need love of God, and whole world need love of neighbor, because we all have experience that world is not only today or yesterday or tomorrow. This world is a cycle and going on. It's time going on, good time, bad time. And when good time, maybe we don't need the power of God or power of spirituality. But when bad time for humanity, we need spiritual power, we need love of God. So, all religions are doing wonderful work for humanity from years and years and years. But special this time, we need love for self, love for God, and love for humanity. How we can experience this and we can share with the world. Each and every human being have two things: the physical body and the controller of body, that is soul. Soul is a combination of mind, intellect, and impression. Mind has power to think, intellect have power to judge, and impression have power to do act in action. So now, each and everyone experiencing that our mind has become weak and intellect have not clear judgment, and our sanskar, our nature, our impression have become influenced by outside world, by negativity. And in this type of situation, we need love of God. And we need love for our own self. We need to understand who am I, from where I have come on this earth, and after this world drama finish, where I have to go. This knowledge we need. And if we have love of God in our life, then we are able to understand. God is ocean of knowledge, ocean of love, ocean of peace, ocean of happiness, ocean of power, ocean of mercy, ocean of everything. And God is ready to give us everything, unlimited, whatever He have. But what is our role? We have to sit down in a silence. We have to go within. We have to talk within the self that I'm not this physical body. This is only my instrument to use. This physical body is a combination of 5 elements, that is earth, sky, water, air, and light. After death, all these 5 elements mix with 5 elements. But I, the soul, never die. I change my clothes, means the physical body we change and we play our role. So, this is the time now. We have to connect ourselves with the God. Who is God? G-O-D. God is a generator, operator and destroyer. He generates the new energy in the self, in the world, in elements. And O, He operates the world. And D, He destroys all negativity from the world. So now we have to just sit down to connect with God. And who is God? God is a tiny point of divine light and might. He is controller of the whole world. If we try to see God with these two eyes, we are unable to see. If we open our third eye of wisdom, we are able to see the energy, the power, the love of God. So, we create a new nature within the self to sit down in silence, to connect with Supreme Power, to take power from God, and then to distribute that power to the world. So this is the time now every human being need, the world need, the five elements need this power of God, and every individual are responsible. If I change, world will change. So I should not wait for anybody. I start to experience love of God. In my solitude, in my silence, when I start to think about God, all the power we experience that we are downloading within the self. Let's experience of God's power so we are able to share that power to humanity. We can share with our neighbor. We all can sit in a silence, relax. Relax yourself for a time being. Start to think that you are not this physical costume. You are controller of this physical costume that is a tiny point of divine light and might. And soul never die, immortal, imperishable. So I am forever there. I am a soul with all divine power. It hidden within me. I'm a power, I'm energy, I'm love, I'm peace, I'm joy, I'm happiness. But all this good quality hidden within me, I want to open it up to realize, to experience, and to enjoy. Let me connect my mind with the God, Supreme Power, who is my Father, my teacher, my guide, the real life companion forever for me. So, let me connect my mind with my Supreme Father. Oh, my Supreme Father, you are great. You are unlimited power. You are ocean of love. I am your child. I want to fill myself with your love. You can remove my pain. You can remove my sorrow. You can remove my sickness. You can remove my problem. You are able to do anything and everything for me. Oh, my Supreme Father, I forgot this, but now I'm realizing that I have a real connection with the true power. You are my everything, my Father. I'm experiencing the true love in my life now. I will remember you every day, from morning to evening, time to time, in my every action of life. I will keep this unlimited love in my heart, and I will work with humanity with this unlimited love. I will share this love with each and everyone who will I meet every day. Even sometime I will not able to see personally, individual. Now I know in my thought. I remain positive and powerful. So through my thoughts, I can spread positive vibration for the whole world. Oh, my brothers and sisters of the world, wherever you are, I'm sharing the true love of God with you all. And with that experience, you all can become loveful. And your life will become happiest. I'm so happy today that in this precious day, United Nations, a special week of interfaith harmony, I got chance to share love of God with humanity. So all my brothers and sisters, take out time in your life. Never say busy, become easy. And connect your mind with a powerful dot, ocean of love. Start to think you are a dot and he is dot. And when connection of two dots, you will charge your battery, your soul will charge, and you will feel energetic, and you will be able to share the true love of God to the neighbor, to the family, to the society, to the country, to the continent and to the world. One day, with great vision, this world will be world of peace, harmony and love, and we will tell heaven on earth. Om Shanti, good day, good week, good month, good year, good life. Om Shanti.